binario 4. Attenzione! Allontanarsi dalla linea gialla.
D. Trenitalia Regional Train 5582 from Reggio Calabria Centrale to Cosenza with scheduled arrival at 19:05 is now arriving at platform 4. Please stand behind the yellow